You've made a wise decision to prioritize replacing your legacy analog POTS lines with modern LTE-based IP connectivity. And with FCC mandates in place and deadlines fast approaching, there is little reason to delay moving to a fully managed LTE service for your mission-critical applications like elevators, alarms, call boxes, and more. Industry research has shown that millions of lines need to be replaced in just the United States alone. However, with recent chip shortages and delivery shortcomings, securing your POTS replacement solution can be a challenging and nerve-wracking experience. That is why MACH Networks has teamed up with the industry leaders to offer enterprise-class solutions. AReS, MACH's patent-pending analog replacement solutions include industry-leading cradle-point routers, service on the nation's largest, fastest, most reliable wireless networks, 24-hour battery backup, and options for 2, 4, and 8-port analog telephone adapters. All this is put into a ruggedized enclosure and purpose-built to deliver reliable dial tone to the customer premise. MACH's Best Technology Breakthrough Award-winning AReS product suite puts you in the best possible position to make the transition away from analog to fully managed LTE connectivity. So let's now take a look at what separates AReS from other competitors. Our end-to-end, fully managed solution includes a hardware-as-a-service model. No more piecing together components from multiple vendors. Our team handles virtually everything from professional installation services to ongoing technical support, active data monitoring, and management. AReS is truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Our technology is built around cradle-point enterprise-class LTE routers, which give you the best possible reliability and performance for enterprises of all sizes. Are you looking forward to the acceleration of 5G coverage? Then you've come to the right place, as our modular solutions offer a fast upgrade path to the next 5G technology. Do you have an immediate need? AReS is in stock and available today, compared to up to a year from some of our competitors, and still at a 25 to 30% lower price point. MACH has designed AReS to help you accomplish your business goals and get you on the path to secure and reliable connectivity for today, tomorrow, and beyond.